you are standing in your bedroom staring at a massive box and wondering if those extra 2 inches of foam are actually going to change your life? Or if you just paid a premium for some extra height? It is a valid question, because the whole pitch for this 12-inch all-foam mattress is that it is the upgraded, fancier version of a very popular original model. Most people assume that a thicker mattress automatically means it is going to feel like sleeping on a giant, fluffy marshmallow. But that is not exactly the reality of the situation. This bed is built around a specific air-filled foam comfort layer that aims to solve the biggest problem for people who sleep on their sides. You know that agonizing feeling when your shoulder and hip just bottom out against a hard core? This design works to cradle those pressure points without giving you that dreaded sinking feeling. It is like being hugged by the bed rather than being swallowed whole by it. They have even integrated copper-infused memory foam into the newer builds to help with temperature and support. It is also completely fiberglass-free, which is a huge relief for anyone worried about what is actually inside their mattress. It lands right in that medium to medium firm sweet spot, making it a solid choice for a huge variety of people. But the testing labs are actually fighting over this one. Some data shows that it handles motion beautifully, meaning you won't feel your partner tossing and turning. However, other tests on the most recent models suggest that motion transfer is actually quite high. If you sleep with someone who moves like a restless acrobat, that is a huge factor to consider before you commit. You also have to look at the weight limits. It is rated for about 300 pounds per side. For larger individuals, that might not be quite enough support to prevent the foam from degrading faster than it should over the years. Then there is the edge support, which is honestly just okay. If you like to sit on the edge of the bed to tie your shoes, you might feel the foam compressing quite a bit. You might get that slight off-gassing scent when you first unroll it, but it usually clears out in a day or two. One of the biggest surprises is the return policy. While the industry is moving toward full-year trials and free returns, this brand sticks to 120 nights and charges a $99 fee if you decide to send it back. You also have to commit to a 30-night break-in period before a return is even an option. It is a bit of a bold move in a competitive market. When you look at those extra 2 inches, remember they are mostly added to the base foam. This is about durability and long-term stability for average or larger frames. It is not about added plushness. Also, do not forget the logistics of a thicker bed. You're going to need deep pocket sheets unless you want to spend every single morning fighting with your bedding. If you are a side sleeper with chronic back pain, that extra structural support is a game changer. It makes the bed a long-term investment rather than a quick fix. But if you are a lighter person just looking for a soft place to land, the thinner 10-inch version of this bed will probably give you the exact same experience for less money. If motion isolation is your top priority, you might want to look at a hybrid model instead. It is a great bed for the right person. But you have to be honest about how you sleep.